everyone, this is Taka. I am Japanese. The U.S. Central Bank (FRB) cut its policy interest rate by 0.25% at December 10th. Federal Open Market Committee meeting. This makes the third consecutive rate cut, setting the target range from the Federal Fund rate at 3.50 to 3.75%. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan (BOJ) raised its policy rate by 0.25% on December 19th, from 0.5% to 0.75%, reaching its highest level in 30 years. In other words, U.S. is moving forward lowering interest rate, while the Japanese is moving forward rising them, resulting in a narrowing interest rate spread. Today in this video, I will cover 3 main points. Investors are affected by this narrowing interest rate gap. The first, impact on exchange rate. When the interest rate gaps narrow, generally, currency of countries with higher interest rate tend to be sold, and currency of countries with lower interest rate tend to be bought. In the current situation, U.S. interest rates are declining. The appeal of the U.S. dollar is seen as slightly diminishing, while the Japanese interest rate rising, increasing the appeal of the Japanese yen. Therefore, the possibility of the strengthening Japanese yen trend emerge. Second, impact on bonds and interest rate products. When the interest rate spread narrows, the yield gap between U.S. Treasury and Japanese government bond narrows, and relative appeal of the Japanese bond increases. Third, psychological shift toward stock and risk asset. When the interest rate spread narrow, make capital more likely to shift toward bonds and safe asset, and may temporarily reduce capital flowing into the risk asset like stocks. Investor who has been buying Japanese stock, in particular, may view a stronger Japanese yen as squeezing exporters' profits. This could lead to be a caution toward risk asset overall, meaning stock price tend to face a period of relative decline. Therefore, we must closely monitor the market of each country after 2026. If you are interested in this program, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press like and rate button. And if you have any request and feedback, please don't hesitate to leave any comments in message box. Thank you very much for your cooperation.